So on today's video, traders, I'll be updating you guys concerning the three pairs that we always trade, which is Nasdaq, USD CAD, and gold. Updating you guys into what happened for the previous 2 days, which is Monday and Tuesday, and what might possibly happen for the coming 2 days, which is Thursday and Friday. But before we start, make sure you like the video, you share the video, you leave a comment on the video, you turn on the notifications so we get notified every time we drop our educational videos like we always do. Trade with the press broker by simply clicking the link on our description. And if you're looking for an in-person mentorship course, then I guess you can to the replays. COT Academy has came up with an exciting and exclusive 2-day in-person mentorship course. I'ma love my number, I'ma love my Instagram link, and I'ma love any communication source of tool that I have so you can get a hold of me. But without further ado, guys, let me not waste time. Let me update you guys and let me make sure that I give you the knowledge and the gems that you need so you can have a greater trading week. Not only a greater trading week, but a greater trading journey, right? So based on our weekly trading outlook, the recent video that I've dropped before this one, check it out and see what we anticipated, and look at this video and see everything that we spoke about and everything that we have anticipated. So we're in a clean anticipation that based on this high and based on this current lows, price was holding a range, and we're either looking for two things: a break above and a break below. Do you get that? So market open on Monday, which was on the 12th, price simply had a push to the upside. In some terms, price gave us a continuation to the upside. Based on what? Based on this range that we had, price had a continuation to the upside. So because this is our previous support that has turned into resistance, okay, this is our previous resistance that has turned into our support. Now you will understand a few things, that based on price having this push and this exhaustion phase above our zone, price gave us a continuation push. Do you guys get that? This happened on Monday and on Tuesday. So just to sum things up and just to make things simple for you guys, I'm gonna let you guys understand one thing, that based on this continuation push phase, price is now holding a range, right? And many times when you trade pure price action or just technical analysis, whatever that you say it is, you tend to understand the price will give you a push in an exhaustion phase and a continuation push, and then price is a range. Based on this range, there's a high possibility that price will continue moving to the upside, but this is only based on us having to understand that from the range that we have, will price break our highs in order for us to get an anticipation of a clean continuation to the upside. So just to sum things up to you guys, understand that one thing, Nasdaq is looking bullish for this week. The second thing, price is giving us signs of bullish continuations because we're having higher highs and higher lows being printed out. Another thing, price is giving us a range, or let me just say a correction, or let me just sum it up to you and say it's just a simple exhaustion phase before we can look for a continuation push phase. So let's understand that Nasdaq is bullish, structure is bullish, behavior is bullish. The only thing that we can focus on is to look for continuations to the upside, unless price shows us something otherwise. Do you guys get that? So Nasdaq, summing things up to you guys, looking for the coming 2 days, we might be looking to be bullish and look to continue bullish, but we're just gonna wait for confirmation to see what happens from there. Now without further ado, second pair, which is gold. So gold might be the easiest pay for this week, no cap, because you guys remember that we had this support that I've used our ray on, right? Understanding that with this support, we knew that we were looking to be bullish above and be bearish below. So market open, price gave us a clean push to the downside. So from a clean push to the downside, we did have a breakout. So price did give us a break below our support, right? But we had this previous double bottom that gave us this all-time high, and from this previous double bottom that gave us this all-time high, you now can clearly see that price did come back again. Price did come back again to our double bottom, right? So coming back to our double bottom level, you now can understand that price did continue to the upside and gave us another high. So with now giving us another high, price gave us a push to the downside. So with a push to the downside, you can now see that our current price is looking like it's in a range, like the NAS is in a correction, right? So from this push and this range, in most cases, there's a high possibility that price will continue moving to the downside. But understanding that price still has some type of support zone, so it will be kind of tricky for us to know what we might do on gold, but it will be simple for us to understand what we can do if price gives us a confirmation. One thing we can be looking for is to understand that if price fails to break our support, then we're going to look for that move to the upside. Based on what? Based on price giving us this double bottom that gave us this all-time high, price giving us this reaction that gave us this high, and price coming back again and failing to break below and moving to the upside. Another thing, if price gives us a violation of our lows, then we can simply look for continuations to the downside, meaning our push and our range as what? As a continuation push of what? That move to the downside. Do you guys get that? So gold will be very simple. If price doesn't violate our lows, then we can look for that reversal to the upside. But if price violates our lows, then we simply look for those continuations to the downside. You guys get that? So last but not least, we're having USD CAD. So USD CAD, man, USD CAD fam, I need you to understand one thing, fam. USD CAD fam, I need you to understand one thing, fam. That we did have a simple anticipation that price has those highs and price has those lows. So with price having highs and price having lows, same as the NAS, we knew that there's a possibility of a continuation to the upside. But because we had this double bottom, this double top marked out, we knew that with this double top marked out, it will be kind of tricky for us to know what we can do. But we're going to keep our focus on one thing. If price stays above, then we can look to be bullish. But if price stays below, then we're going to look to be bearish. So it happened that price does give us a word. Price gave us a breakout. If you can clearly look at this zone that I've just marked out, this like key level, this that price action move that I've just marked out, you can clearly see that price gave us a breakout, and obviously from a break above we had a break below. So now that we understand that price broke out of our double bottom, double top pattern, and price broke below of our double top pattern, our focus now will be very simple. Based on our breakout and break below, the only thing we're looking for is for price to come back to our very same zone to see one thing. If we're gonna fail to break, then I guess we're gonna look for that move to the downside. But if price will give us a breakout, then I guess we're gonna look for that move to the upside and base it the way we base it and do what we can do and simply keep it the way we usually keep it. So USD CAD is simple. If price continues above our zone, then I guess we're gonna look for those moves to the upside. But if it fails, then I guess we're gonna look for those moves to the downside. Do you guys get that? So this will be our weekly update, just to make you guys understand what we're going to be looking at, even though I updated you guys into what we're going to be looking at from the week. Because from our weekly trading outlooks, I make sure that I give you guys gems and anticipations into what the week might be looking forward to. And on our midweek updates, it's me having to give you guys an update into what happened and what might possibly happen. Do you guys get it? So I hope you liked the video, hope you enjoyed the video, and hope you get the knowledge that you need, and hope you took the information that you need. But without further ado, I hope I get you guys on the next video, which will be our trade breakdown, which is an exclusive video and an exciting video. Stick around for more videos. This is your boy Harlem, King COT, is signing out.